All right, so here we are. We're going to start looking at, using the yoga band, we'll start looking at how an element actually can behave. So as we start pulling on it, we can see how that's being deformed. And then we have a little peekaboo under here, and we can start seeing how maybe this element would be under just a axial load in tension. We could actually start pulling on this, and now we're going to blow out this element and pull it out, and now magically, we'll paint that red next time, and we can see how this element under an axial load in tension, that our element would be drawn like this. And we can start talking about a two-dimensional. We can stick it up onto a whiteboard if we have magnets. And then we can also look at when we're talking about stress and how if I apply an axial load, we can get shear stress, is we can take the same concept, and there's our new element now, and as we pull that out, it's in this orientation. And so if I have this orientation, of common misconception is that students will say, great, look, now we have this normal force coming out of the corners of our element. We've agreed as engineers that's not how we're going to do it, so somehow we have to put that normal force as a shear, and so we can actually now see that this shear and this shear would be components of the normal force coming out, and so now our element would look something like that would have shear force around.